Hey everybody, I'm Chris.
And I'm Todd with Air Design Services.
We wanted to take a few minutes and talk about something that's really important to us this year.
We are proud to be participating in the Lennox Feel The Love program.
For those of you who may not know, Feel the Love is a program where Lennox donates heating and cooling equipment to someone in our community who truly needs help.
And companies like ours donate the labor, installation, and time to make it happen.
And honestly, this is exactly the kind of thing we believe in.
We've been in a lot of homes over the years, and sometimes you meet people who are doing everything they can just to get by.
People who keep helping everyone else while putting themselves last.
Maybe it's a veteran, maybe it's an elderly couple, a teacher, a first responder, someone dealing with health problems, or just somebody going through a really hard season financially.
And the reality is, heating and air conditioning isn't really a luxury anymore. People need safe, reliable comfort in their homes.
So we want to be part of something bigger than just business.
At Air Design Services, we've always believed being local means more than just having a business here.
It means showing up for your community when people need help.
And that's why we're asking for your help.
If you know someone deserving,
someone who gives to others,
someone struggling silently,
someone who truly needs a helping hand,
we want you to nominate them.
You can go to feelthelove.com
or contact Air Design Services directly and we will help walk you through the process.
And even if you don't have someone to nominate,
please share this video because the right person may see it.
We appreciate Lennox for making programs like this happen.
And we appreciate all of you for supporting local businesses like ours. Thank you.
Perfecting indoor comfort since 1982. Air Design is here.